Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Thanks for joining me, or thanks for joining me again. So today's video is a bit of a different one. It is actually a Saturday night when I'm filming this, so I'm having a glass of wine. This isn't my favourite one. I had to go to Sainsbury's today rather than Tesco. I'm rambling, I know, but I didn't have my favourite wine, so I was like, oh rude, I had to get this, and it's not that great. But it's a Saturday, so it's wine night. So today's video is a little bit different for me. This is actually an unboxing, and also depending what the products are, I may do a testing, I may try some of them out tomorrow. But if they're like more of a longer trying out kind of thing, then I will do a description update. But this is the Look Fantastic beauty box that I'm testing out, or I'm unboxing. I haven't unboxed it yet, I literally just took it out of the packaging, so I don't want to show you my address. But I haven't had a beauty box in such a long time. I used to have a Birch box back in the day, and I used to have a glossy box back in the day. Probably been about 5 years since I've ever had a subscription box. And I was on Look Fantastic the other day, getting some bits for my eczema, as you do. And I saw the thing again, and I was like, it's quite interesting. It's like £13 a month, and you get like £50 worth of products. I remember when I had Glossy Box and Birch Box, you used to get really obscure brands, which is great, but I also felt like I missed out on, like, you know, some of the brands that I love. Whereas I think if you Look Fantastic, you also get some really cool brands that you obviously know and love. And I thought I'd pick it up, and it was £10 actually, for your first month. So I signed up to 6 months, sorry, and it was £10 for my first month, and it'll be £13 for the other months. But I'm really excited to see it, so I thought I'd do an unboxing each month and show you and kind of review whether I think it's worth it or not. And obviously this is £10, it's meant to be worth over £50, but I thought I'd give it a go. So this is the box, which I think is gorgeous. Also, these are really great for storage. I remember I used to use my glossy boxes, and I think I still have some glossy boxes in my Birch boxes in my storing things. It looks like this, and it says Beauty Beyond Boundaries, which I think is amazing. It's obviously all about like inclusivity, is that the word? But I think it's gorgeous, and then it's pink base, which is very up my street. So I'm going to open it up and see what's in there. So you've got Beauty Box Edit. I think this will explain each product, but I'm not going to... Oh, does it? Let me have a look. I don't want to look at it. Okay, I'll flip through, I'll have a look at it in a bit, but it comes with this little kind of magazine. There's all different pages and stuff, so that'd be interesting to look at that. And then it's all packaged up like this. I don't want to like ruin it. It's really cute packaging. It's very fancy. I'm so excited. Yeah, they usually come with like a thing that tells you all about the products. I'm assuming it's that, but I don't want to spoil it. I used to always spoil it for myself. Oh, it smells good. Whatever's in here. It comes with loads of tissue. Let me just get that out of the way. Okay, so I've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 products in here, which that's really good. So first of all, there is this polar.com Ice Source Moisturising Cream with iceberg water. That's interesting, that would be good to try. I love a moisturiser. I do have dry skin, so it's good to always be hydrated. I'm not sure if that's focusing. Hello. I don't think that's focusing. Obviously, if I can find everything, I'll link it down below. But this is... How much is in here? 20 millilitres. It says, from the first application, skin is rehydrated and glows with newfound suppleness and softness. Apply to clean face and neck. Oh, let me just open it. Smells a bit strange. So it's like a really, ooh. It's very creamy, and it feels really nice on the back of my hand. It's creamy though, it's quite thick. I'm not really a fan of the scent, I'm not going to lie, but it does feel really nice. I'll be intrigued to try that. I'll try that out on my skin at some point. And then you've also got the First Aid Beauty, which is a brand I have heard of. I think they've only been in the UK for a few years. I remember it being really popular, and I used to watch Sephora hauls back in the day. But these are the Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone and brighten safe for sensitive skin. There's 10 pads in here. That'd be really fun to try. I love things like that. You can just quickly wipe across the face. There's white pad across face, neck and décolleté. Once or twice a day after cleansing. So that'd be fun to try and see how they work. I like anything quick and simple, and First Aid Beauty is meant to be amazing, so I look forward to trying that. Then we've got a Kristoff Robin Regenerating Mask with rare prickly pear seed oil, and this is for your hair, I believe. Yeah, apply a small amount after shampooing, massage from scalp to your ends, add water, emulsify, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse hair thoroughly. Hair feels sumptuous, smooth and protected. That looks like that. I've not heard of the brand, but I recognise the packaging, because I feel like it's something I've probably seen before, but not ever tried. I love a hair mask. I use the L'Oreal purple hair mask for my hair. And it smells like baby powder. But no, that would be amazing to try. I love hair masks. Okay, and then we've got, this is a Harbour Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap. This is just a soap. Mud soap for body, removes all impurities and refreshes the skin. Lather and rinse. I don't usually use like bars of soap, but I would obviously use this because I don't like to waste things. Also, I was thinking if I get things that I wouldn't necessarily use, I can keep it for giveaways and stuff, so it's pretty good. It just looks like that. Just a bar of soap, I don't know what I'm showing you. It smells quite nice though. I feel like it would be quite moisturising. Oh god, I'm getting soap all over my hands. That's annoying. Okay, that sounds good. And then we have got a, is it Bloom and Blossom Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. Apply with clean fingers to skin that needs extra attention for external use only. It's like a little balm, I'm assuming, like for your lips or dry skin. I love the packaging, look at that colour. Let's try it on my lips actually, because I've got really bad lips. I've been using the Weleda Nipple Balm. Oh, that's really smooth. Wow. Look at the difference that made in my lips. I'm just going to check. Are they white at all? No, look how shiny they look now. And plump. That's really nice. That's really, really nice. I look forward to using that some more. Okay, then there's also the Brushworks double-ended brow brush. Now I do have quite a lot of brow brushes, so I might keep this for a giveaway. It's got like a spoolie and then an angled brush. Brushworks is meant to be a really nice brand as well. Don't want to break the box in case I do keep it for a giveaway. I've got so many brushes like this, so it's just not worth me having. But it's got like the angled brush there and then the spoolie there, which is always handy, and I like the packaging because it's white and rose gold, and they're meant to be amazing brushes. And then there is the Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner in black. I really like Lottie London products. I don't have too many. I've only got like, I'm pretty sure just the blush and bronzer. I really want to try their concealer. I really want to try their lip glosses. There's lots of things that I want to try from Lottie London, but I just haven't. They definitely changed it. I think back in the day the brand was a little bit odd, but they've definitely brought out some cool things. So it's a retractable pencil liner, and I did like one line on the tip there and then like shaded it in a bit so you can see how dark it can go and how dark it is just on the tip. But that seems really nice. I thought you could probably blend it out, smoke it out a bit too. Yeah, you definitely can. Just made a mess of my hand, but okay, so that's pretty cool. I think that obviously it's definitely worth £10. Got a little eyeliner here. I don't really use a lot of crayon liners, but I think it's really soft. I could probably use it on my upper, what's that called, lash line. This balm feels amazing on my lips. I'm excited to try that some more. The Weleda one's been doing wonders because I've got eczema all on my lips. I usually use the Too Faced Hourglass, not Hourglass. Too Faced Hangover lip balm. That's amazing, but I'm assuming this is cheaper, so I'll be intrigued to see that. The Brushworks brush, that's amazing, but I'm going to keep it for a giveaway because I've got so many. I'm really excited to try the stuff from First Aid Beauty because I've never tried anything. This moisturiser felt really nice on my hand. It smells a bit weird, but I'm excited to try it on my face. The hair mask, can't wait to try that. I love hair masks, but I'm going to keep it till I run out of my purple one, so that can stay there. And then also the mud soap, that's really cool. Something new to try. So, just going to little look in this book and see if there's anything in there. Okay, so it does actually show you what's in the box. It shows you what each thing is, or what's in the box completely. So there's a whole, you can see there, luckily I didn't look at that. But you can see what's in there. I think it's really cool that there was 7 items in this box. Okay, so the soap. A purifying soap suitable for face and body, formulated to wash away dirt and impurities, work into leather. Dual-ended eyebrow brush to help you achieve the perfect brow with every use. Perfect eyeliner with gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye makeup. Formula that glides effortlessly over the eyes. Complete with retractable sharpener to keep the liner in tip-top condition. A hair mask, a revitalising hair treatment, perfect for dry and damaged hair, full of antioxidant and regenerative properties, blah blah blah. Okay, so it shows you here that what's coming up. It gives you a little sneak peek into April's month. I guess if you think, oh, I'm going to cancel it this month, and you see products you really like. So it's the Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum, worth over £92. That's mad, in a £13 box. And it's like a serum for your skin, so that's amazing. That's really fun to have that as well. It'd be fun to like keep that and look back at what products you got and things. So yeah, I'm really happy with my first box. I think it was amazing. It was definitely worth £10. I wouldn't like necessarily, out of these products, there's nothing in here that I think I would pick that if I saw it on the website, but that's what I like about these boxes, because you try different products that you wouldn't usually reach for, and different brands too. I may film some segments tomorrow of me trying some of the products, but if not, I'll keep an updated description down below for you guys. But yeah, that is the end of the video. If you like this style of video, let me know. I want to do this monthly going forwards. If you don't like it, do let me know and I won't do it, obviously. But thank you all so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which of these products you think were your favourite, and if you've got any beauty box subscriptions, and also if you have, which is your favourite, which has been your favourite, you know, previously, if you're not with one currently. But yeah, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification below, and I'll see you all in the next video.